everyone, my name is Jackie Zhou. I major in Anthropology and Human Biology and with a minor in Global Health, Culture, and Society.
Hello, my name is DEANNA Sharpe, and I am a rising senior here at Emory, double majoring in Human Health and Spanish and Linguistics.
Hi, my name is THEO and I'm at Lake Turkana. I'm a paleoanthropologist, and my double major is Anthropology, Human Biology, and English Creative Writing.
Hi, my name is KALEY FRYE. I'm a Psychology and Linguistics joint major and French Studies minor here at Emory University.
Hello, my name is NICOLE COBB, and I'm a senior majoring in psychology and minoring in ethics on the pre-law track.
Hi, my name is ISABEL Byers, and I'm a rising senior double majoring in Neuroscience and Behavioral Biology and Spanish on the pre-med track.
The field of study I'm mainly interested in is primatology. I'm also looking forward to a career in law, specializing in health equity. My research topic for the CMBC Undergraduate Fellowship is same-sex behavior in wild-faced capuchin monkeys, specifically sexual behavior. And we study a population located in Guanacaste, Costa Rica. I work with my advisor, Dr. Marcela Benitez, in the Social Cognition and Primate Behavior Lab in our Anthropology department here at Emory. This summer, I have just visited our field site and did some real-life observations on the wild capuchin monkeys. They are a highly social and collaborative species and very fun to look at in general. In fact, they practice a lot of same-sex sexual behavior, and I really hope that this long overlooked topic can be further evaluated. I will really look at preferences and behaviors and seasonal variations. I'm sure that many people are also interested in how our close relatives in primates also have same-sex preferences and what evolutionary influence this may mean for the academic community. Thank you.
I'm really excited to be joining the Center for Mind, Brain, and Culture Fellowship this year to continue work on my project on accent and dialect acquisition among children with autism. And I'm really excited to look at two specific varieties, which are African American English and Southern American English, which are also seen in deficit paradigms. I joined this fellowship because I was really interested in exploring how my project intersects with mind, brain, and cultural studies, such as with developmental pathways and with linguistic identity. It was really interesting to me to also have the opportunity to get to know other people in the fellowship and just kind of connect with different scholars in neuroscience, linguistics, and so many other fields so that I learned how to best situate my project during this time. For this project, I'll be expanding it through both an honors thesis and as my Mellon Mays undergraduate fellowship research thesis as well. So I'm really excited, and I just look forward to what this year has in store for me.
My research interests are the mid-Pleistocene transition and hominid macroevolution. I'm happy to work at the CMBC in the following year, and I hope to learn a lot. Thank you very much.
My research interests really focus on more interdisciplinary linguistics topics. I currently work in the Emory Language Acquisition Lab studying the role of acoustic cues in homophone distinction. However, my personal research is more sociolinguistic in nature and explores how people use language in political discourse on social media.
I've been very passionate about mental health education and advocacy. I've volunteered as a crisis counselor, and I'm also part of a mental health advocacy group on campus. In my sophomore year, I joined the translational lab under Dr. Peter Hitchcock, where we study the decision-making behind anxiety and depression and work on developing effective interventions. The end-of project that I've been working on for the last year, which will turn into my honors thesis, is about why people worry. I'm interested in seeing how people's previous experiences with loss and expectations of a future loss interact to impact their worry. Worrying, or repetitive negative thinking about the future, is a cognitive process that underlies many disorders like generalized anxiety, PTSD, depression, and more. Hopefully, understanding what contexts elicit worry will help in developing interventions to treat these disorders. I am very grateful and excited to be part of the Center for Mind, Brain, and Culture. I look forward to learning from my peers and experts in many different fields. This opportunity will not only allow me to enhance my own research, but also the rest of my academic experience at Emory in preparation for a future career in law. Thank you so much, and I cannot wait to get started.
This year, I will be combining my interests in neuroscience, language, and culture through an honors thesis in the Spanish department. Specifically, I will be analyzing how dementia is represented in Latin American literature and film. Through this project, I hope to analyze how Latin American authors and filmmakers depict dementia not only as causing cognitive decline, but also as a disruption of identity and autonomy. I hope to analyze how cultural narratives shape our public understanding of dementia and influence the way that individuals with these diseases are treated within their societies. A lot of dementia research is based in Western settings and takes a pretty clinical view of the disease. But the works I'm studying will offer a more human-centered perspective, which I hope will further our understanding of what it means to lose memory, language, and thus identity because of a dementia. Through this work, I hope to highlight how cultural misconceptions and portrayals can either reinforce harmful stigmas or open new possibilities for more humane practices. Outside of my thesis, I will also be conducting neuroscience research in the Weinshanker lab, where I'll be studying the role of the locus coeruleus in Alzheimer's disease. I hope that this perspective will inform my honors thesis as well as give me a more scientific understanding of the disease. This topic is also very personal to me. Several members of my family have had Alzheimer's disease, so I've seen the profound impacts of dementia firsthand. In addition, as an advanced EMT, I have also treated patients with dementia, giving me another perspective as a healthcare provider. I'm really excited to be part of the CMBC fellowship and to connect with other people who are just as curious about how science and culture come together to help us understand the mind. Thank you.